Hello, everyone. Welcome to this special invitation for breast cancer patients and anyone interested in learning more about breast cancer. At Asia's largest breast cancer conference, the Global Breast Cancer Conference 2025, free lectures are waiting for you. Renowned experts from Korea and around the globe will share everything from the basics of breast cancer to the latest breakthroughs in research. And here's the best part. If you can't join us in person, you can still participate. Enjoy the sessions via online streaming on your mobile phone or PC, wherever you are. Plus, engage with our expert speakers through live Q&A sessions to ask your most pressing questions directly. The patient session takes place on Saturday, April 19th, 2025. Don't miss out. For detailed program information and registration, scan the QR code below. Welcome to GBCC 2025.